Azam Khandkar's body is not good. He has been suffering from physical illness for the past 1 week. No improvement is seen even after being treated in a reputed hospital of the country. As a result, his family decided to take him to Switzerland. He is said to be a health minister. Money is not important to them. Passport, visa are always ready for them. So, as soon as the decision was made, the Self family appeared at the airport. Wife, elder son and PA are going along. Tickets have also been purchased. Everything was fine, but at the last gate of the airport checking, an incredible thing happened. An army officer at the checking post said, "Sorry sir, you can't go." Azam said, "What do you mean? Why can't I go? If you become the health minister of the country and go to a foreign country for your treatment, what will happen to the general public? Where do they go? You have money so you can go. But what will the poor people do? Why did you not develop the country's medical system?" This officer, are you okay? Do you know who I am? I banned because I know. I would have let someone go even if it was a normal person or some other VIP. But you are the health minister. Even though you have the health system in hand, it doesn't seem to have improved it. So you want to go out for treatment yourself. But it won't. First develop the medical system of the country. You know if I want. You are banned from traveling abroad for medical treatment. Saying this with great anger, the army officer stamped red on the passport and visa. And a print came out from the Omni computer. It showed a line of big bold letters. All politicians are banned for medical treatment in abroad. Azam Sahib is raging fire. His PA came and took him to the other side, and said, "Sir, you must have forgotten. The army has been deployed on all routes out of the country since the militant attacks last month. And each has been given the power of magistracy. Therefore their decision is the final decision." Amzad's son said with a sigh, "If the medical system of the country had improved today, we would not have seen this day. There is nothing but mistakes and harassment in the treatment of our country.